Hi everyone, Sherman Chin here, and today I'm going to talk about Polkadot. Now, why I'm talking about Polkadot? Because I did a video at the Polkadot Malaysia event, and the thing is, a lot of people have been asking me what is Polkadot. So I'm going to use this video that I found on YouTube that is really good, and I'm just going to preface this with the fact that Polkadot is just another blockchain. And if you guys are not familiar with the concept of blockchain is like Bitcoin. So it uses tokens that are actually validated by different servers that are spread and distributed across the internet. Okay, and this blockchain, or how it's actually recorded, is in the form of a digital ledger. So what I mean by digital ledger is basically a digital file which is written to by all these servers spread across the internet. And the reason why these records or transactions are recorded into this digital ledger is because we are keeping track of all the transactions that occur in the buying and selling of the DOT token, which in this case of course is the DOT on the Polkadot blockchain. And of course on Bitcoin it would be the Bitcoin token on the Bitcoin blockchain. Okay, so this one is DOT on the Polkadot blockchain. So we're going to record transactions that happen on smart contracts. What they call it, smart contracts, because they actually record the contracts between buyer and seller and buyer. And of course we have different projects that run on it that just uses not only fungible tokens but also non-fungible tokens. So fungible tokens, the difference is that with fungible tokens, they can be replicated. They are all the same, just like coins. Okay, coins are all the same no matter who uses them. But there are also non-fungible tokens like pieces of artwork, which are all different and unique. Okay, let's just take a listen.
Actually new. They plan to be the very first Layer 0 solution. We'll talk
Layer
about
0.
what that means in a bit, but first, welcome to Whiteboard Crypto, the #1 YouTube channel for crypto education, and here we explain topics of the cryptocurrency world using analogies, stories,
Okay,
and
let's just skip
examples
forward.
so that you can... Scattered dots is a good starting point to visualize this project. That's because right now, crypto is a little unfriendly. We have a lot of these competing projects doing similar things using similar blockchains working in isolation. Each of these blockchains can basically be seen as one individual dot, but that's just the start. The reason Polkadot is important is because it lets us connect all these chains with each other. So imagine you have this huge field of polka dots, but you can actually draw lines in between all the dots and start to connect them. Each dot would represent an individual blockchain, and drawing lines between them all connects all of these different projects. Now you might be wondering, what problem does this actually solve?
So what is so cool about Polkadot is that it's at a so-called layer 0. So this is below layer 1. Layer 1 projects like Bitcoin blockchain, Ethereum blockchain, and layer 0 is below that. And the reason why it's called layer 0 is because it allows interoperability between these different blockchains. So what it means is that it connects the dots between these different blockchains, allowing them all to be interoperable. Okay.
Well, one of the biggest problems we constantly see in the crypto space is a lack of what they call interoperability. The problem is like the problem in early personal computers before we even had the internet. We have all these blockchains hanging out like stars in space, drifting around without any actual way to interact with each other. Polkadot is basically a way to make it easy to create and connect blockchains to each other. Along with our example, computers were great, but the ability to actually send and receive...
So what is so great about this is like it's the internet. It allows computers to connect with each other. So in this case, it allows blockchains to connect to each other. So let's say I want to create my own blockchain, which I'm thinking of, by the way. So I'm thinking of creating a blockchain based on a meme coin called Bunny Legend, and I'm thinking that this blockchain can be connected to other blockchains through Polkadot if it is run as a parachain on Polkadot. So now what is this parachain? Let's just skip forward here. I think it's going to talk about parachains.
We're going to answer each one of these questions by talking about two main components of Polkadot: the relay chain and the many different parachains that exist on the network. Think about it like this. The Polkadot network actually works like a hub and spoke model. For those unfamiliar with this analogy, this basically means that there is one center and many different branches coming off of the center. For Polkadot, the hub or center
the hub.
is the relay chain.
And then it connects Polkadot. Okay, so it looks like I'm gonna have a call now. So I'm gonna end this video real soon. I'll see you guys in the next one where I continue about Polkadot. Thank you so much, guys. Please do like, subscribe, and click that notifications bell. Bye.